Yo guys, start कर दिया क्या? Hey guys, this is Aditi. I'm presenting tutorial on Na, that is from Hadi Sandhu, and I'm pretty sure you must have seen the dance performance that has been done by me and Vikrant, and we choreographed it. So let's quickly start. So guys, let's start with this music, and this music I have divided in 3 beats. So I'm pretty sure ये बहुत पुराना गाना हो चुका है और आपने दसियों बार सुना होगा. So music is ting 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 da da da, ting 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 ting. So this ting 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 I've divided 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 da da da, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 da. Okay, now I'm showing you all these steps. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, 6 steps all together. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then after 1 2 3. इसमें क्या हुआ? Ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da, and again 1 2 3. Now you have to take wave. So I taught you before how to take wave. So it's this. Okay, chest out, then stomach out, and take this in. Okay, as if that you're taking something inside from your chest to stomach. So 1 2 3. Now you have to step back, or you can do step forward also. It's all up to you. So I've danced with a partner, so I'm going back, 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 and he's coming to me. Okay, how you can do it? It's click, राइट से बैठ गए, फिर लेफ्ट से बैठ गए, फिर राइट से बैठ गए. ओके, लेट्स सी योर म्यूजिक.
कुड़ी मैनू कहंदी, कुड़ी मैनू कहंदी.
So that is how the next part comes, where he sings कुड़ी मैनू कहंदी मैं जुत्ती लेके सोया. Now see what we need to do. Kudi, menu, candy, and out. So kudi may point out to your right, and you have to slightly turn to your left, and waist, your right side waist little out. So kudi, झुक भी सकते हो, थोड़ा bend भी हो सकते हो. So up to you how you want to make it. So kudi, menu may come back to your place. Menu point out yourself. Menu, candy may point out in front. Candy wave in and slightly bend down and out. So kudi, menu, candy, bas. So candy and out. Kudi, menu, because it is very fast. So you know it's not. I cannot divide into counts. So 1 2 3 and 3 maybe in 3 count only you have to come back. So take wave in and out. Again in करोगे so right knee is bent, out में stand. So it's just this and out. In and out. Kudi, menu, candy, jutti. Now jutti mein it's just this. Okay, it's just slight kick. So jutti you have to touch your ankle. Okay, jutti lene mein you have to take turn from front to back. So now your both the hands up. So I'm showing you in front. So now 1 2 3 4. So see, first focus on my steps. 1 2 3 4. Okay, once again how I did it. 1 2 3 4. So pehle I'm stepping back to my right, and my left comes to my right leg. Then step back from my left, and right comes here. So once again, right left right left. How I'm moving? I'm moving like this. So I'm moving my waist and my shoulder and my chest. So all those 4 things, my feet, my waist, my shoulder, my chest, moving everything together. And yes, my hands also. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, once again, kudi, menu, candy, मैंने जुत्ती लेने, so नया ना. When he says ना पे एकदम से turn करना है, quick turn. ना सोनिए, you have to nod, and you say no. ना सोनिए, Na 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 na. Okay. What we did just roll. We roll our hands and left just goes back and come back. Goes back to the right and come back. Na 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 na. Quick nod na. सोनिए ना. जैसे हाथ जाएगा वैसे आपका लेफ्ट फुट जाएगा. सोनिए and turn. That's your music.
ओ कुड़ी मैनू कहंदी मैनू जुत्ती ले दे सोहणिया मैं कहना गोरीए ना 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 गोरीए ओ कन चुम.
So you take slide and turn. Now lyrics are kanjumkenu darasde rede sonya. So kanjumkenu. So here you need to kick or throw your right leg and bend down and then come back and twist your waist and put the hands here to right side. So kanjumkenu and here there is a beat. You need to put your hands here, one beat, and then after Tarasde. On Tarasde you have to make circle from both the hands from right to left. Tarasde rede sonya. So see, this is this. It's little chest drop and step. So drop and this. So it's 1, 2, 3 only thrice. Tarasde rede sonya. 1 tap. So left goes at the back of your right leg and come back because there is a music. Da 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 da. Na. Sorry. So now on now you have to move your waist from right and then left and then right. So na sorry and na. So here it's very simple. If you can move your foot, it's good. Else it's okay. You can just move your finger and your hand. So na. So ni ye. So you will start from here to the left, right and front. So it's just hit through your elbow. I'm telling you once again on the lyrics. Kanjumkenu tak tarasde rede sonya tak na soniye na so ni ye. That's your music.
ओ कन चुम के नू तरसदे रह गए सोहणिया मैं कहना गोरीए ना 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 गोरीए.
So hold something here and take grip out in 8 beats, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then as you know that I'm very bad at lyrics and I cannot speak Punjabi, neither can I understand. So I've divided all the lyrics into beats, into 4 or 8 beats count. So I'm showing you the steps. After this 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you need to do, step out. You can go forward or you can go side, it's all up to you. So look at me carefully. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what am I doing? I'm going to my right, my left comes here, then left, my right comes here, then I'm opening my feet and then I'm just closing it. Okay? So 1, 2, pick something from here and come back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hands moves are as if that bird is flying. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. On 1 you need to just kick to your right and just like ja. So you just need to let just the thing or whatever is go away from your right and just a jerk to your chest and your left hand comes here at the back of your head. So and this. So 1, 2, 3. On 3 kick through your left and both the hands joined and above your head. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here you just need to rotate everything, chest and waist and shoulders and hands. So your right hand here on your stomach, left hand here on your shoulder. Rotate. It is very easy. It's just that you need to stand at one place and rotate. Just your music.
एको चीज मेरे कोले प्यार वाली है ऐ मेरा गरीबा नू तू मार वाली है.
So after this, again 1, 2, 3, 4, the same lyrics and I've divided them into counts. So 1, 2, simple cross your leg from from right to left. Chutki, chutki. And then after side, and this is quick side. It's not like 1, 2 and easy. No. It's like 1, 2 and tap. Turn and your left foot comes here. Back. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's 3 and 4. So hop and hop. Hop and hop. Okay? I'm showing you in front, however we did to our left side. So 1 and 2. You can just do this. It's a random step through your hands. However, feet or steps are like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after, once you're doing to here, and you just boom, like punch. In 4 counts. So you did 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you punch and you move, you bend your knees and you move to your right leg. Or if you're here, you want to do here, so you can do left to right. That's your music.
एको चीज मेरे कोले प्यार बलिए ऐਵੇਂ ना मेरी बन तू सारी दुनिया.
So after this, there are lyrics. सारी दुनिया ते कहते बंगले पैदे. So we have just kept very random steps. What we did is tuck and tuck. So you can do either tuck or you can do this. However, it has to have a jerk. So सारी दुनिया ते कहते बंगले पैदे. On पैदे, you do this. And Sonia, now Sonia, start with your right elbow, and once you start with your right hand, your right leg toe a little up. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. How are you gonna do it? Okay, just see my upper part. Tuck, 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 tuck. And how my feet? Tuck, 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 tuck. That's it. So it's gonna be like tuck, 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 tuck. Now Sonia. So I've done this. Now I'm just bending my both the knees bent and I'm keeping my elbow on my knee. Now Sonia. Sonia mein I have to take half circle. Now Sonia. Na 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 na. Right, left, right. Na 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 na. Sonia mein I have to turn. And then after I'm moving like this. So I'm moving on my toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? See your music.
सारी दुनिया पे कहंदी बंगले पै के सोनिया मैं कहना गोरिए ना 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 गोरिए ओ कुड़ी मैनू कहंदी.
Now we have come to the last part. Kudi Mainu Kendi. After this I shook like this, and then after the lyrics are Kudi Mainu Kendi. So we have taken the signature steps a little bit. So just see my feet right now. So tuck, tuck. What you need to do, you need to go to your left completely, and you need to kick your left leg behind your right leg. And how would you do? Tuck, tuck. So kick, 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 kick. You know dipping? It's a part of that. However, it's not particularly dipping. So see your left. Okay, just profile, go profile left. Look at the camera or the audience, and you need to kick through your left, and right comes to the right. So 1, 2. So make sure you first kick from your left, then you can kick from your right. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So Kudi Mainu Kendi, your hands will be like this. So it's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I think it's just twice. So Kudi Mainu Kendi, twice. Mainu Jutti. So once you done with this step twice, you just go a little diagonal and up, up. So it's very easy. It's just hands are like this. Jutti lede Sonia. Okay, it's just both the hands going down in same steps that we have done in the beginning. Okay, so Kudi Mainu Kendi, and then after Jutti lede. So it's just this up, up. Sonia, up, up. Then after your right come here, and now Sonia. So it's this. Initially when we did this step, step it was there, our left leg. However, in this step it's not there. It's just simple dipping, 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 dipping. Now, soniye. So hand is here, left one, right is stopping. Soniye, and then right leg come here, and you moving your waist. Now, soniye. That's it. That's your music.
ਕੁੜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੁੱਤੀ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਨਾ 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 ਗੋਰੀਏ ਕੁੜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ
So guys, that was the tutorial of now, and this is specifically for those who really requested for the one, and I'm pretty sure you must have seen the performance. I would like to say my special thanks to Manish Sevalia from the dance group and Udgam Play School who gave us this pretty location. And at the end, please do not forget to hit the bell button so that you will get notification of the tutorials and the videos. Do like us, share and subscribe our channel Dance Size. This is Aditi. Aloha.